Hello everyone, welcome to this project. Here we are going to generate a Fibonacci series using Python. So what is Fibonacci series? Let's begin with a quick explanation of what the Fibonacci series is. Well, the series is a sequence of numbers where each number is the sum of the two preceding ones. The sequence starts with 0 and 1 and then continues infinitely like this. 0, 1, then 2, 3, 5, 8, 13 and it goes on. Let's break it down. The first number is 0 and the second number is 1. The third number, it will be 0 plus 1, which is 1 again. The fourth number is 1 plus 1, which are the two preceding numbers, equals 2. Next, 1 plus 2 equals 3, and so on. This sequence appears in nature, mathematics, art, and even in computer algorithms. It's a popular example when learning loops and sequences in programming. Now let's do the hands-on. So first, we will take the input, say n equals int, then input, and we are asking the user enter number of terms you want to get printed. Alright, so what we are doing here we are taking the input and we are converting it to integer. Alright, because by default it's string. Alright, and we are creating two variables a and b, and initially we are mentioning it 0 and 1. We are assigning these two values. So a equals 0, b equals 1, right? Next, what we are doing, we are executing a for loop. So for underscore in range n, this n is this, and this underscore is when we don't need any kind of variable actually for this loop. Yeah. So what we are going to do, we are going to print a, alright, and we are going to end with a space which says that all the numbers will be printed horizontally. Okay, there will be no new lines. Alright, next we are going to assign a comma b. The new a will be the old b, okay, and the new b will be a plus b. Alright, now that's it guys, that's it. Let's hit save and yeah, let's print it. Okay, so Python space the file name, let's hit enter. So enter number of terms you want to get printed. Let's write here, say 6. Let's see here. So 0, 1. Then again 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. Do you want to make it more? Let me provide here colon. Let me hit save and let's run it one more time. So let's write here 8. Hit enter. So 1, 2, 3, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 5, 13. There you go. Congrats! You have printed the Fibonacci series. No matter you can provide 100, there will be more. So that's it. Again, let me repeat you. So the first line, here we are asking the user to enter how many terms of the Fibonacci sequence they want to generate. We use int input to take input and convert it to an integer. Next, we are initializing two variables as 0 A as 0 and B as 1, the first two numbers of the Fibonacci series. Next, we are using a loop to iterate n times. The underscore is a common Python convention when the loop variable is not used. Next, we print the current value of A and end with a space. And this is the most important line. It updates the values of A and B. The new A becomes the old B and the new B becomes the sum of old A and B. This is what generates the next number in the Fibonacci sequence. So that's it. Now you understand the Fibonacci sequence. You can write Python code to generate it. And you can use loops and multiple variable assignment in Python. Feel free to modify the code. For example, try printing only even Fibonacci series or find the sum of the series. Keep experimenting and happy coding.